Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session I am going to show you how you can select your region of interest area for yellow weight object detection model. So before we move to our practical friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much and let's get started. So friends, as I mentioned, today I am going to show you how you can draw a region of interest area and you can detect object in particular region of interest area with the help of YOLO V8. So for that, first just open Thony Python IDE and we are going to install our basic packages. So go to the tools, manage packages and search for opencv Python and then just hit enter. It will search for opencv Python first package. Click on install button, it will install opencv on our Windows machine. So this is Windows 11, of course you can use your Windows 10 machine also. Then we need Ultralytics package, so Ultralytics and then just hit enter first package Ultralytics, click on install button, done. It will install Ultralytics. So this is how we need to install opencv Python first package, and the second package is Ultralytics for YOLO V8. So we have done with package installation. So for today's session I have created a repository, select ROI and detect object. I will mention the link, copy paste the link inside the browser, then go to the code and click on download zip. So it will download our zip format repository, and inside that I have mentioned our main code, then we have a video file and then we have our coco.txt file. So we download our repository, open download folder. This is what our repository, right click and WinRAR and extract as a folder name. So select ROI, again same folder, and this is what our main.py. Just open it, it will open with Thony Python IDE. So let me start the code here. So as you can see I have mentioned all the things already inside the code, vid.mp4. This is what our video file and this is what our pre-trained object detection model, and we are going to detect here a person. So before we start our code, let just start our video file. So as you can see friends, this is what our video file. Let me mute the volume. So this is what our video file, as you can see. We have here people which basically walking. So our goal is to create particular region of interest area for this video file, and then we are going to detect the person when the person is basically in that particular area. So this is what our video file. So this is the code, basic code, and with the help of this code we are going to detect a person using YOLO V8 pre-trained model. As you can see here I have mentioned the condition, if the person, then only we are going to draw a rectangle. So let's just start our code. It will first download our pre-trained object detection model, which is YOLO V8 s.pt, and then we have a detection. We have person detection. And so friends, as you can see, as I mentioned, because I have freeze the frame over here, here it is, as you can see I have mentioned the 0. So this is what our first frame, and from first frame our object detection model is detecting a person. If I skip the frame, so let me just press space button from keyboard, and as you can see the frame is skipping one by one. So we have detection, we have a rectangle on the person, we have red color rectangle on the person. So let's just start a while loop. 1, save the code, and if I run the code, and now as you can see the video is started in normal way. We have a person detection. So right now it's detecting a person in all over area, but now again here let's just mention 0 and save the code and run the code. So because as I mentioned, this is the tutorial for how to draw a region of interest area. So let's just say if I want to detect a person only when the person is in this area, only in this area. Simple. So for that, I just want to draw ROI over here in my selected area. So as I mentioned, let's just say here, from here to here, if the person in this particular area, then only we are going to detect a person. So for that, we are going to draw ROI. So for drawing ROI, basically we are going to draw here a CV2 dot polyline. So polyline, we are going to use here a polyline function. So for drawing polyline, we need a point. So here I have mentioned area is just a variable, and this area represent our points. So how do we get the points? For that, simple. We have here our mouse event function. Let me show you here. As you can see, this is what the mouse event function. This mouse event function is basically work when we move our mouse cursor on the frame inside shell. As you can see, we have some coordinates. Let's just say I just want to start a point from over here. So if I move my cursor over here for this particular area inside shell, as you can see, at the end we have 556. This is what the x coordinate, and 298. This is what the y coordinate for drawing a circle. So basically we are going to draw here a circle, a 4 circle. So if I want to draw a circle, we need xy coordinates. So for first circle we need xy coordinates, for second circle we need xy coordinates, for third circle we need xy coordinates, for fourth circle we need xy coordinate. And then with the help of CV2.polyline method, we are going to connect all these 4 circles, and then we have our region of interest area. Simple. So let's just start from here. Let's just say I just want to start my first point over here. Simple. So if I move my cursor over here, then we have inside shell 550297. 550297. So let's just mention our first point, 550297. 550297. 550, and the y coordinates is basically 297. 550297. So this is what my first coordinate, and then let's just say the second coordinate is over here. So if I move my cursor over here inside shell, we have again new coordinates, which is 114347. 114347. 114347. 114347. So this is what my second point, and let's just say I just want to draw my next point over here. So 185382. 185382. 185382. 382. This is what my third point. And then at the end, let's just say over here 692310. 692310. 692310. So this is how we will get the points for drawing the polylines. We need to simply move our cursor where we start our point. So if I want to start my point from here, just move your cursor over here, and then inside shell we have xy coordinates. So this is how you will get your all the 4 coordinates, and now we have our 1 2 3 4 xy coordinate ready. So simply we can draw our polyline. So here it is, the polyline method, CV2.polylines frame, and then we are going to mention our area, np.array, and then area variable which represent our all the points. So area is over here, and as you can see I have mentioned here area, then np.in32, then true, and then the color for drawing polylines, and then the thickness of polyline. This is the CV2.polylines method for drawing polylines. Simple. Just save it, and if I start the code now, simply we will have our region of interest area on the frame. As you can see here friend, this is what my ROI, this is what my region of interest area. So we successfully draw a region of interest area with the help of mouse event function. We need to simply move our mouse cursor on the frame and then we will get our coordinates. We need to mention our coordinates as an area and then this cv2.polylines method will draw our area with the help of polyline function. Simple. So now we have our region of interest area. Now how to detect our object only when the object inside our region of interest area? For that we need here our object point. So let's just say here this is the rectangle of the person, and when this bottom left corner, or you can simply use your bottom right corner. So let's just use here this person bottom left corner. So when all the person rectangle bottom left corner, if it is inside our area, then only we are going to detect our object. So how do we get our rectangle, our object rectangle bottom left corner? Simple. For bottom left corner is basically a rectangle, our object rectangle x1 and y2. This is what object rectangle bottom left corner x1 and y2. So let me show you here. We are going to highlight the bottom left corner with the help of cv2.circle method. cv2.circle, and then we want to draw our circle on the frame. And what is the area? Our area is basically, as I mentioned, x1 and y2, x1 and y2. Then we need here our radius, and then the color, let's just say blue, 25500, and because we want to fill the circle, so simply mention -1. Save the code, run the code. Now it will highlight object rectangle bottom left corner with blue color circle, and as you can see there is a blue color circle on each person rectangle bottom left corner. Here it is, as you can see, bottom left corner we have blue color circle. So when this blue color circle inside our area, then only we are going to detect our person, or we can say then only we are going to detect our object. So for that we have cv2.point test method. So here, after we detect a person, we want to create a new variable which is, let's say, result. Result is equal to cv2.point p capital polygon t capital test, cv2.point polygon test. And as I mentioned, what is our condition? When the person bottom left corner, if it is inside our area, so first we need to mention here our area. So how do we mention our area for cv2.point polygon test method? Simple. We have our area over here, cv2.polylines method. This is what our area. From here, np.array, this is what our area. So just copy as it is. Just copy as it is and mention over here. That's it. Just remove this square bracket. There is no need to mention a square bracket. Just copy from here to int32, just copy as it is, like this way, just copy as it is. And here, this is the method cv2.point polygon test. Right now there is nothing, so we just first we need to mention here our region of interest area, ROI. So just copy the ROI from cv2.polylines method, just copy like this way, copy it and then just paste it. Done. That's it. And then we mention our area. Now what is our second condition? When the person rectangle bottom left corner, if it is inside our area, so we highlight our object bottom left corner with the center point, or not center point, with circle. So we need to mention the circle coordinates. So our circle coordinates is basically x1 and y1. So not x1 and y1 where we draw our circle. This is the circle method. So our circle point is basically x1 and y2. So here we want to mention x1 and y2. We have here our cv2.point polygon test method. Then we have our area, and then inside this area, when detected object bottom left corner. So bottom left corner is basically x1 and y2. So mention in tuple format like this way, x1 and y2. This is the method, x1 and y2, because we draw a circle for highlighting the object bottom left corner. So this is the bottom left corner points, x1 and y2. So mention x1 and y2 and then mention false. That's it. So now if you print this result and if you save the code, if you run the code, now watch inside the shell we have some numbers. So right now as you can see we have -1, -1. So when the person bottom left corner, if it is inside our area, then we have 1, otherwise we have -1, -1. So let's just watch. And as you can see, watch for this person. When this person bottom left corner, if it is inside our selected area, then we have here 1. If I scroll up here, because there is lots of persons, so we have here, as you can see, there is a 1 and there is a -1. So when the person bottom left corner, this is what our condition, with the help of cv2.point polygon test, when the area, we mention our area, and then object bottom left corner, which is x1 and y2, if it is inside our area, then we have result 1, otherwise we have -1. So simply we can create a condition with the help of our result. If the result, if it is greater than is equal to 0, then only we are going to draw a rectangle, then only we are going to draw a circle. Now watch the magic. Now when person, if it is inside our area, then only we have detection. And as you can see, there is no rectangle. For this person there is no rectangle, 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 because these all persons are not inside our mentioning region of interest area. Only 1, 2, 3 person bottom left corner is inside our area. So only this 3 person is basically detecting by our YOLO V8 object detection model. So let's just start our while loop 1 and save the code, and if I run the code, now watch, for this person bottom left corner inside our area, it's detecting. Watch for this person, when this person come inside our area, and then only we are detecting. Simple. So this is how, friends, you can select your region of interest area for your project, and you can detect the object in particular region of interest area with the help of YOLO V8. I hope you will learn something from this video. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.